My name is Boyd Wickman. I wrote a software application for interior design that I would like to show and explain to you. The first 30 years of my 50 years in business, I was in the flooring business, selling and installing flooring. After remodeling my present house, I decided to start remodeling houses along with the flooring business. I knew enough to sell flooring, but not much beyond that. So over the next 20 years, I self-studied my interior design, but I added my own ideas on how an interior design project should be organized. I wrote a book in 2015 describing my ideas on a new interior design method. The book explains a unique new interior design method. I have a U.S. copyright on the design method. Therefore, I am the only person who has a U.S. copyright on an interior design method. A common thought in the design world is that there isn't any rules, which is true, but design parameters help to focus the design thoughts. This is what my entire design method is all about, setting up parameters that were usable and duplicatable. There aren't any design rules, just guidelines. For instance, painting a wall with paint. There aren't any set rules to apply the paint, but only guidelines or suggestions. So now I would like to tell you about the design spreadsheet, Total 10X Advantage. The Total 10X Advantage design spreadsheet is a unique design and proposal method with a library of completed projects to use and edit for ideas and projects. This method is a combination of 3 elements for a 10X advantage. First, there are the people who would most likely benefit from the interior design application. That would be interior decorators and designers, architects, builders, remodelers, contractors, and real estate agents. Number 2, the reason for this application or software is to create an interior design plan for a space or room, to create that proposal for sales and installation. Number 3, we want to create a differentiated value, the 10X value. We have a unique design method using 15 forms to gather information concerning the project. Then a solution is created with those 15 forms. There are 5 main reasons why businesses use technology for the 10X advantage: to lower cost, to increase revenue, to lower the risk, or to increase market share, and to gain customer satisfaction. Creating differentiated value with interior design software is the key outcome. In order to compete, startups often need to be vastly unique among multiple dimensions. Ease of use. It is easy to log in and use our cutting-edge website. Features. Easy to use forms. Easy to save the data. Unique design method, beautiful printout forms, and you can choose which forms you want to use. Website provides a very quick response. Quality, you can create a comprehensive proposal for the customer. More consistency, effective and efficient. The design method asks questions and then provides great solutions, then prompts you to the next form. Greater quality of the solution. This solution will increase sales. Higher output. The design method is easy to create. Low cost. You pay only a small monthly fee. Fewer risks. There are no long-term contracts. More flexibility. These forms have plenty of user choices for inputs, and you can use whichever form is necessary. Less downtime. We promise 100% available 24/7. The forms are easily accessible. Less frustration. 15 forms will guide your design creativity. Revenue. You will increase sales with quality forms and proposals. Loyalty. We will secure your data in the cloud. Who should purchase interior design software? People who are actively looking for a competitive edge. People who exert some technological leadership in their companies. People who have a greater tolerance for risk for using new interior design method. people who will use a new, unique product, people who are willing to accept a new solution if those solutions are improvements over the current solutions, people who want to be seen as problem solvers, people who will accept software forms as a solution. Some interior designers and decorators use an organic design method. They also can use this method. There is plenty of time to study the inner workings and feelings and visual elements of the design process using this method. All questions are answered with the method of gathering data. The forms are great to use for a group effort when developing the project. Customers will love to look at the plans to provide their input. All forms guide the design process along. The design process form asks many leading questions. The driving force form will answer any and all questions concerning the design. The reasons to buy new interior design technology: increase revenue, sell more with quality design methods and forms. Decrease cost, no additional software is needed. Grow market share, sell more projects with more comprehensive and detailed proposals. Lower risk, low cost monthly fee and suitable quality forms. Improve customer satisfaction, complete detailed forms to review and acknowledge the proposal. Clarifying your interior design advantage. Using our solution, you can develop better design spaces. Using our solution, you can create better proposals. Using our solution, you can simplify the project paperwork. Using our solution, you can meet your sales objectives. A common thought in the design world is that there isn't any rules, which is true. Any design parameters help to focus the design thoughts. This is why my entire design method is all about setting up parameters that are usable and duplicatable.